Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change activity braille input in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility, then tap. Then in the Accessibility, go to Vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then in the voiceover, scroll down again and then tap the activities. Then after that, in the activities, tap your activities. Then in your activities, scroll down and go to braille settings section and then tap the braille input. Then in the braille input, if you want to change it to uncontracted 6-dot braille, just tap it until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to change it also to uncontracted 8-dot braille, just tap it also until there's a check mark on the side. And lastly, if you want to change it to contracted braille, just tap it until there's also a check mark on the side. And thus as we have successfully changed activity braille input in voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, can comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!